With Russia still trying to conduct missions over Dnipro River, it's high risk as they become very vulnerable against Ukraine's drone army. Even with high-speed vehicles like this jet ski can't outrun Ukrainian drones, with only speed being the protection as it lowers the risk of getting spotted. But as this jet ski got detected, the result wasn't good for them, taking out more of Russia's movement on the river, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.